Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. I thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I just wanted to show you some decorations that I already have set up in my home. At first I was gonna make a centerpiece, but then I thought, why don't I just show you all what I did for Christmas? So for Christmas, I did a tablescape, and then also I decorated this backdrop. So I thought that it would be a good idea. Even though Christmas is over, you can adapt these ideas for any event. Before we go any further, I just want to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already for a variety of DIY projects. So again, I'm going to show you my Christmas tablescape, also how I did this backdrop, and please feel free to bounce ideas off from what you see. And it doesn't have to just be for Christmas. You can adjust it to whatever theme you have. So I will start by showing you the tablescape. I used a satin tablecloth and 2 sequin runners. As you can see, the sequin runners are crisscross. This is a centerpiece that I made from a previous video. I will link it below. And now on to one of my placements. The satin napkin ring, plate, and the utensils come from Walmart. The charger plate, of course, is from Dollar Tree. And coming up, I'm gonna focus in on my cup that I use in this setup. This cup, as you can see, has a poinsettia, and this comes from Dollar Tree. Here is my backdrop. I used 11 panels to get this look. I went for a bling look, so I used about 7 sequin panels. All of my draping come from Amazon. As you can see here in the center, I have a bow that I created. I got this ribbon from Dollar Tree. I really like the way this backdrop came out. I feel that it came out beautifully, and I love the bling. Let me know what you think of these decorations in the comments below. Also, feel free to share my video with someone that has an upcoming event. And lastly, if you have not yet had the chance to subscribe to my channel, I want to encourage you to do so. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time. Bye.